Alright, let's go ahead and write some letters above this. Or below it, doesn't matter. Maria Bellin, what letters can I write? Y equals parentheses. Raise your hand if you have C value to be pi over 2. Class, what does GCF stand for? Okay, I don't have a B value. And so I'm going to factor out a 2. Y equals sine 2 times x minus something. Now you're like, I don't know how to do that something. Well, they created variables in math. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative something equals negative pi over 2. So you can do a little side problem. 2 times this box is going to be pi over 2. Are you following me? Because greatest common factor, factoring, the opposite is distributing or multiplying. Class, how do you solve for the box? We're going to divide by 2. Remember, dividing by 2, let me do a different color. Dividing by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. Why? I'm putting this in the denominator. I have to put this in the denominator. Do you see why it's still multiplying by 1/2 if I put a 1 here? So these 2's will cancel, and my box is equal to what? Multiply across? Pi over 4. What goes there? Pi over 4. Watch. 2 times x is 2x. 2 is, make it a fraction by putting it over 1. 2 times pi is 2 pi, and 1 times 4 is 4. So you get 2 pi over 4, which reduces to pi over 2. Now I can identify my phase shift. My A value is 1, B value is 2, and my C value is what? Did you notice I don't include the negative sign? Partner B, tell partner A, what does it mean when your C is a positive pi over 4? Which direction? B, tell A the silly phrase. Ready, set, go. Diane, tell me the silly phrase. Add 2x, go west. Class, do we see adding here? So we're not going to go to the left, we're going to go to the right. So this means right pi over 4. The phase shift is pi over 4, or you're going to go right pi over 4.